Hello, my name is James Julian, product specialist for wireless tools here at Atlas Copco. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to configure the new Socket Selector 6. The only thing you'll need to get started is an Ethernet cable and your computer. First thing you'll do is remove the front cover here, which gives you access to the service port as well as the RBU. We'll plug in an Ethernet cable and we'll switch over to our computer now. Now you can go to your computer's browser and type in the IP address 169.251.1.1 and you'll be greeted with the Selector's web configuration page. From here you can see basic settings, explanation of the ports, an update button to update firmware, external mode to control the lights. Connected to is our primary focus here. We will be connecting to factory net, and you can see now our columns here are enabled. DHCP would be used if the network was assigning an IP address, off if manual IP assignment was needed. We'll leave ours on. We will also enable WLAN for a wireless connection. The SSID is the name of your wireless network. Encryption type will be decided by the network as well. And a password for authentication. And your power focus controller destination IP address is entered here, and you save it. Those settings will apply, and after a moment the selector will reboot, the page will refresh, and so now we've connected our Selector 6 to our wireless network, which allowed it to find the controller which is on the same network, and now it's able to be distributed to a virtual station.